D equals to 10 minus 0.5 PD. So this equation is 1 and this equation is 2. Demand and supply curves. The QD is the quantity demanded when the price consumers pay is PD. So this is P, and QS is the quantity supplied when the price producers receives is PS, price of the producers receives, and the government imposes a price floor of $12 in the market. This is important. Price of the floor price equals to $12 in the market. The size of the excess supply in the market with the price floor, that is with PF, price floor. What is the size of the excess supply? So excess supply means that is supply is greater than the demand, that is Q of supply, quantity supplied, is equals to, so this equation, minus 2 plus P power S when P power S greater than or equal to 2. When PS is the price producers receives, that is minus 2 plus 12, that equals to 10, and the quantity of demand equals to 10 minus 0.5 P power D, that equals to 10 minus 0.5 times 12, that equals to 4. So here what is the size of the excess supply? That is, here in this question supply is greater than demand, that is supply minus demand, that equals to, what is the supply value? That is 10 minus 4 demanded, quantity demanded, that equals to 6. For this question answer is 6. Always write quantity on x-axis, price on the y-axis. Okay, and the demand curve is given. Demand curve is this one, minus 0.5 PD. So that is, so the demand function equals to 10 minus 0.5 equals to Q of demand. When Q equals to 0 of the demand P power D, that is P power D is this one, 10 by 0.5, that equals to 10 by 100 by 5, 20. Always demand curve is downward sloping. Here this point is Q equals to 0, Q equals to 0 and price equals to 20. 0 and price equals to 20. Here in this demand function put P power D, demand price equals to 0. So price equals to 0, Q equals to 10, that is this point is 10 comma 0. This is the demand curve, and the supply curve is given, and the supply curve equals to QS equal to minus 2 plus PS, that is QS equals to minus 2 plus P power S. The supply curve, here this is the intercept, So So that is when P equals to 0, P equals to 0, Q equals to minus 2 comma 0. And when Q equals to 0, that is QS supply equals to 0, Q equals to 0, P supply equals to 2. That is when P equals to 0 means exactly minus 2 comma 0, here minus 2 comma 0, and the another point is 0 comma 2. This point, this is PD demand, this is QD demand function, and supply curve is like this. Supply curve, this value is PS equals to 2, this value PS 2, 0 comma 2, 0 comma 2. So that is, this value is P supply equals to, or P power as anything, okay, 2. Okay, this is supply and this is the demand curve, where these are meeting. So this when PS equal to QS, these values are cost minimizing values, Q star and P star, cost minimizing values, P star and Q star, and P star and Q star cost minimizing values at equilibrium. At equilibrium, that is this is the meeting point of supply curve and demand curve. So given, so supply equals to QS equals to minus 2 plus PS, this one, and demand QD equals to, demand function QD equals 10 minus 0.5, 10 minus 0.5 PD. Okay, if we equate these two equations, that is minus 2 plus PS, that is P in terms of P, both are P, right? Generally in equations P and Q in terms of P and Q, that equals to 10 minus 0.5 P, that equals to 12 equals to 1.5 P plus 1.5, 12 equals to, so that is P equals to 12 by 1.5, that is P equals to 8, that is P star value. This value is P star equals to 8. In this equation, Q equals to minus 2 plus 8, that equals to 6, that is Q star equals to 6. You can put this P value in this or in this, both the equations, anyone, okay. P star and Q star values are 8 and 6. So this Q star equals to 6, that is quantity at equilibrium equal to 6, P star equals to 8. Because at this intersection point supply equals to demand, both are equal. Next the given price of the floor price, that is floor price equals to $12, and QD demand function, that is QD demand function equals to 10 minus 0.5 times 5 times P for price of the demand. So at the floor price, if the price is equals to, this floor price is equals to floor price, what is the quantity value? What is the quantity value? 10 minus 12, that equals to 10 minus 6, that equals to 4. That is at the floor price, right? QF, quantity of the floor price, is equals to 4. What is the price? Floor price, this floor price value. So at that is floor price PF equal to $12, and quantity of the floor at the floor price, the quantity is 4. So this is the point. Down, this value is 12, that is PF equals to 12. Okay, PF equal to 12. So this area, this triangle A, B, C, D and E. Okay, this area, blue color area, is this area A, B, C, D is F is there. Okay, this triangle A, B and F, this area is consumer surplus, CS. So that is CS value. This area is CS. So how to find this area value? First question is find the consumer surplus, I think. So what is the consumer surplus? And answer is 16. Okay, we will find. So that is CS equals to half times base times height half base, that equal half times base equals to, this value is 4, same this value 4, and this value is 20, right? 20 minus 12, 4 times 20 minus 12, that equal to half 2 times 8, that is 16. This consumer surplus value is 16. So this area answer equal to 16. And next question is what is the producer surplus and what is the dead weight loss. This area, complete this orange color area, is PS, producer surplus. This rectangular and this area, so that is this is a triangle plus this is rectangle. This is F, B, D, so this one D, E, G and H, and Z, and this point is H. So H, E and Z. This total area is producer surplus. At Q equal to 4, how to find this triangle, right? This value is 2. So this is at 2 comma 0 comma 2, but we want this value. So what is the supply function? The supply function is equals to Q plus 2 equals to PS supply. So at Q equals to 4 plus 2 equals to PS, that equals to 6. So this point is at H point is 0 comma 6 0 comma 6. So this area is half base into height. This area is rectangle length into weight. So this is H, this is 6, this value is 12, that is 12 minus 6, this is 12 minus 6 times, so this value is 4. The area is half times base, this value is 2 minus 6 minus 2 times, so this height is also 4, that is 2 times 4 2s are 8, 4 minus 2, this value is 8 and this value is 24. So total PS equals to, add this one and this one, 1 and 2. Reduce or surplus equals to, add this both, 24 plus 8, 32. So is this answer? Yes, produce or surplus, correct. What is the dead weight loss? So this area is dead weight loss. Complete, this is dead weight loss, pink color area, dead weight loss. So next question is dead weight loss equals to, so that is area half base into height, that equals to half times base equals to, so this value is 12 and this value is H, right, 6. So this is the area, so like this value is 12 and this value is H6, this is the area, so base equals to 12 minus 6 times 6, this value is, that is Q equals to 6, this value Q equals to 4 and this value is 6 minus 4, that equals to 2, that is 2. Dead weight loss equals to 6. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is correct. So so all these are easy to find with the help of using the graph. You can draw like this. So what are the given values? If you want, first to draw the demand curve, next to draw the supply curve, equate Q equals to 0, P equals to 0, find the intercepts, X intercept, Y intercept and draw the demand curve and supply curve, and you find the this equilibrium quantities Q star, P star, supply equal to demand. After you find the price, given the price, floor price is given, at the floor price find the quantity, according to you find all these values. Thank you for watching.